So on this day, everything in the store is $4. So one of those individual coffees would be $4. If you find a box and it has multiple items in it, you can get all those items for $4 for that day. And the next day was $3, and the next day $2, and the last day they have a dollar day, which is their leftover items are $1.
Damn, it's heavy. Pretty heavy. Bag's a little bit heavy, but I got it. I'm about to go back in. And into the trunk it goes. About to go back in for some more stuff. I came looking for some more paper clips, but I got sidetracked by all that coffee they had. So it's just a little extra footage, I guess, for the video. All right, guys, I'll show you what else I get.
In my opinion, at this store you'll find the best items on $8 day, because that's when the store is newly restocked, and you'll find products of higher value on that day.
and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
So I got a few more things. I got this set of coffees that I already sell. I made a coffee haul video, by the way, where all I did was buy, I think I bought like 50 something boxes of this, and you know, each come with 6 in it. And I saw them on Amazon, so I'm gonna replenish that. I've been selling like 15 to 20 a day, so that's good to keep replenishing this product. And I got that cat food for my wife's cats. You know, gotta show her that I care. And then I got some food for my daughter. Real easy for her to eat. All right, now I'm gonna head home. So y'all gonna think I'm crazy. It's like 45 degrees out here. It's drizzling, it's raining. And I'm out here in, what is that, shorts and a polo. But I'm always warm. I'm a hot individual. So I came like this, yeah. But I wanted to come to Black Fridays again and see what I could find. And I found the usual coffee. There's my bags right there. Today is $2 day. So I got all these coffees All these boxes for $2 a box. But yeah, coffee, it's been selling good for me. I've been selling between 15 to 20 a day. And yeah, so $5, I get $5 each little box. So yeah, sells for $9.99 on Amazon. They keep about $4 in fees. I profit $5 minus my buy cost. So $2 a box. I can't think right now, I'll do the numbers later, all right? Gonna go ahead and put that one in the trunk. And I'll put the other one in the back seat. And there we have it. I'm gonna go back in and see if I can get some more. There's a box or two I know at least. But let's see if I can find more boxes or what else I could find. That's the store. This is the Northeast store here in El Paso, Texas, the Dyer location. I went in and got 2 more bags. Got this set of books. It's going for a lot, but the rank is bad. It's over 3 million. It was like 5 or 6 million, but nobody's selling it. Amazon sells it for hundreds of dollars, so I have to go home and research it. But I'm gonna take a chance on that since I don't really have competition but Amazon, but they're overpriced. I found 1 more box of coffee. I got some other books. There's a bunch of single coffees in there, but there's no, I'd have to buy each single one for $2, and I'd rather buy it like that in the whole box.
So these books that have high ranks like this, 6 million in books, the only reason why I'm selling them is because there's no competition. There's nobody selling them for the FBA offers. So that means if I send mine in, most likely it'll sell. So I didn't get everything listed, but I got the coffee listed. See, I got my boxes right there. They're ready to go to the Amazon warehouse. In my case, all my stuff goes to Dallas, Texas. Let's see. Dallas, Texas right there. There's the FBA label. And as you can see, it's $600 out the door for a few days work. So I'm gonna go drop these off. I gotta go pick up a box of books that I'm buying for $20. It's coming with a few hundred books in it, and I'm gonna send them on to FBA. All right.